All right, Bearwood Brown here at the boat project. Now we've repaired the fuel filter, myself and I, and we're going to give it a go and see what happens. So what I usually do is I choke it one time. I've already pumped the pump thing. That seems to be holding nicely pressure-wise. So we're just going to give it a gentle pull, see what happens. Also, when we tried it earlier, the spark plugs were loose. So the choke's in now. I've only pulled it once or twice. Oh, is that a pop? Choke out once. Choke back in. I'm not doing anything with the throttle, wherever it is. Okay, I don't think it's getting any fuel yet. Now this thing, that's a throttle mechanism of some sort. So we've got, I'm going to pull forward on the throttle a little bit with the choke open and choke. Okay, that's full throttle now with the choke. Hey, hey, hey! No choke, full throttle. Yay! This is the rest of the one. That barrel just a little bit so it can, no water coming out. No water coming out. That's a good spot.
That needs more water in it.
Yeah, let's figure that out before we go any further. Sounds sweet. Okay, let's stop pause. You can be in the video, it doesn't matter. It's fine. I'll give you even performance rights. I'll give you a little portion of the money we make on this. If you're in it. Yeah, let's put a bit more water in there just for the hell of it. See what happens. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Until it actually was running, I wasn't saying yay or nay, you know. Until I heard it. Now it's running. It's sweet. Sounds good. Yeah, that's a damn good spot on the no water coming out. We have to just, while putting water in there, check to make sure it's not blocked. So ideally, now that we know the motor works, the video should be in the river. Yeah. Part, you know, I mean, obviously, this is the boat project here, getting it gunning. But in the river would be the selling point if you could show yourself having fun on the Thames. Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, when we put this water in, what we need to look for is where's the pickup. You know, there's no point in raising it. Is it up? That's the exhaust there.
That's the exhaust.
So it should be, unless there's some holes or some sort of grating, it won't make any difference down below.
Yeah.
So, I think that's as much as we need at the moment. Let's see what happens. Now, where's the exhaust? Oh, it's right here.
Here, there. That's where the water comes out.
Yeah. Okay. I was thinking just out of the wood. That's a smaller or different type.
Yeah.
Now, Okay, does that roll? Oh, that was taping. So I guess we'll just keep taping. What we're looking for is some water coming out of the exhaust on the thing back there. Okay, you want to do the throttle? This is fast. You see that? One pull. One pull.
That's still up.
Give it a little welly for a second. Oh, what was that? Oh, that's nervous. There it goes. Okay, we got it. Oh, yeah, all right. So if we're going to run it, we'll have to recirculate that back into the tank. See, I was right. It was right. There was a little hole.
You're right. Comes out both.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the water. I mean, that's the air.
Yeah.
Air down there and water, but this is definitely water. So either put a bucket over there and catch it. That's all we need. And I reckon maybe the next thing is whatever you want to do, but we could either try and hook up the throttle. So that
Well, no, let's just try and
or lift the boat onto the
lift
trailer.
the boat.
Lift the boat. Okay, now we know the motor's running. That's a hell of a milestone.
Try and figure out
Just
where.
just let it run for a couple minutes and that's it.
What's this here?
Oh, that's all right. That's just more water coming out.
Very sweet, isn't it?
Love it. Not running perfect. Not bad That's it. I think I'm happy. That's fucking great. That's marvelous. I just want to put the cover in it. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. We can just do lifting now.
Okay, let's see what. Well, we've got to take that, lift the motor up.
Yeah. Okay, so we take this off. I think would be the smart thing. Undo that. That's okay. So
Got to move this.
we want to empty that.
Yeah.
Somehow. I guess if we could somehow lift it and slide it without getting water everywhere. Got it for a second? Okay. Well, you got a
Hold on.
thing like here, right here, this pin there, push that in. There you go. Perfect. Perfecto. We don't have to move that any further. Then, okay, so we got it sitting on that, that. Just we'll see how high we can lift it before we move the trailer. Obviously,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
want to be able to shoot that trailer right on and just stand. Now, this is one jack. What's this one here? Yeah, let's look at this. What we got here? Looks like the ticket. Really. What I want to do is get a couple pieces of wood at 45s or something on this thing, so that it lifts the wood and the boat. Oh, look at that! It's just going to go right underneath it. Perfect. Can't ask for any more than that. So what we want to do then is have some cribbage ready, which means boards and. So that as we gain it, here's one piece to start with, and just a few other pieces, whatever we got lying around, that we can stack up. What's over here? Stuff I want to get rid of this stuff anyway.
There's another one there.
Yeah, that'll be handy. That's gonna have to go pretty high. That's rubbish. We'll have to get some out here, I think, because we're going to need quite a few pieces. Oh, still recording and didn't drop it in the water. Okay, so let me turn this damn camera off.